Hello, hello. How you guys doing? We're here, Repticon, Kissimmee, Florida. It's one of the biggest events up here with reptiles. I'm here with my son. He just got himself. Oh yeah. What is it? Say a little bit about it. What is
It's a
it?
Pastel Ball Python.
Nice. He's excited. He's been wanting one for a long time, and that's what straight A's give you, right? Straight A's. And I got myself a Uromastyx. Some of the stuff that we got, lighting and stuff that we needed for them. We have, we love animals, so we have several animals here. We got some of the snakes that you guys can see here. This is in Kissimmee, Florida. The event is happening today, and it's happening tomorrow, today and tomorrow. And you guys can see all the different snakes they have. They have gecko lizards too. They have other baby snakes there, gecko lizards. So by the time you guys see this video, it's Saturday, and the event is Saturday and Sunday in Kissimmee, Florida, Repticon. They have so many nice things. I mean, it's a huge building, and I'm gonna try to see if you guys can get a look of like all the vendors that are here. You guys see all the vendors that are here, and they have all the needs, everything that you can think of. They have here. All the needs for your reptiles, the care for them. They have enclosures here, whole setup where you can, get started with your reptiles. It's awesome. It's amazing. They do it everywhere. I think they do it all over the States. Here they have like some bird cages and whatnot. And yeah, it's amazing. It's really nice. We've been looking forward to this event. We bought the tickets in advance. It's a great place to come with your family, so that they can see, the animals and whatnot. A lot of nice breeders, a lot of nice people. You guys can see. We got some green iguanas.
He's really cool. You're like, try.
They got some chameleons here too. Monitors, you name it, that everything that you can think of. That little buddy's going everywhere right there.
Little ones
The
are
prices are pretty fair. It's not like you're gonna come here and you're gonna get the animals for $2-3. You're gonna pay, but eventually,
$40 for them.
if you're caring for animals, you really don't care about money. At the end of the day, it's not about money. It's about the well-being of the animal. So if you can't afford to have an animal, and you can't afford to buy the stuff that you need for your animal, then don't get animals. Leave it to somebody else who can afford it. They have to be able to. You have to be able to give them at least the bare minimum, with all the beautiful colors. All the vibrant, beautiful colors. It's a very nice event. It's a very nice event. You guys can see they have more like rocks over there. And they have more, more reptiles everywhere. Reptiles everywhere. We love reptiles. I love animals. We love, I have a yellow Amazon parrot. We have gecko lizards. Now I got a Uromastyx, a female Uromastyx. She's a little girl. She'll probably get about twice as big as the size you see there. This is a really nice event. I lost my son already. I know where he went. But it's really nice. You guys can see. This is in Kissimmee, Florida again. I know there might be people on the bottom of the comments, and you know they're saying why I got the Uromastyx and my son has it on the container. It's good to keep them there for the transition. We'll be leaving from here shortly, so yeah, just to keep them calm.
Ball python?
Yeah.
Nice.
Little tortoises, beautiful
Do you have
tortoises.
anything else at home?
I had leopard geckos and we do a lot of parrots.
Okay. So you're gonna start breeding leopard geckos? So you're basically, and so you're looking at about 2 years from now, you're gonna have a table, right?
Woo!
And the Uromastyx are very cool. Yeah, you gotta keep those hot.